सर सर गुस्सा आ गया था मुझे। 1000 रुपए तक देने के लिए तैयार था मैं, वो फिर भी ड्रिंक्स देने के लिए मना कर रही थी सर। फिर मैंने पिस्टल निकाल ली सर।
So after we finished Amir, till now, honestly, Amit and I, we were always eagerly waiting that when are we work on the next Rajkumar Gupta film.
Delhi for me was while I was writing the script, there was something which I wanted to do. Because the film was based in Delhi, so I needed to get in to the film with this song.
Yeah, and I specifically remember he mentioned that you mentioned that you wanted a rock track.
Yeah.
You wanted a rock track, which is like a, and I assumed it as let's take it to the next level, make it metal.
मेरा काट को ले जा दिल्ली, मेरा काट को ले जा दिल्ली, ले गई काट को ले जा दिल्ली, कोई दिल्ली ले गई। मेरा काट को ले जा दिल्ली, मेरा काट को ले जा दिल्ली, ले गई काट को ले जा दिल्ली, कोई दिल्ली ले गई। फिर जान भी ले जा दिल्ली, फिर जान भी ले जा दिल्ली, सजनी काट को ले जा दिल्ली, कोई दिल्ली ले गई।
I think Atbar, I just wrote the script. I think rest, I think the inspiration came in
From the script, and about as we spoke earlier about the trust factor and that angst. So that whole thing, visualizing the entire
sequence, the turn of events.
Turn of events. So in visualizing that, I came up with this melody and this whole track, and somehow while I was composing, I was singing some. I don't know why I was singing Atbar. Where I was Atbar. This was like I was humming Atbar because in the back of your mind you know what's happening. I thought of Vishal Dadlani, from Vishal Shekhar. He was a pleasure to work with, and he did a kick-ass job on that.
Yeah.
And the guy we had gone for
During the New Year, we visited Jaipur, so we saw him perform live. His
name is Mame Khan.
Mame Khan, and they're the singers from the Manganiyar lineage.
Yeah.
So basically classically Sufi trained.
So Sufi and folk, mainly
very in a Rajasthani folk,
Rajasthani
Sufi
folk.
kind of a.
And he brought a lot of soul to the
a lot of
song.
soul of the song.
Ali Re, Sali Re, Kali Re, Kyali Re. These were the 4 words. These
You were
songs.
given it to us.
He gave it to us.
While I was shooting, and I got up early in the morning with these 4 words in my head: Ali Re, Jali Re, Kali Re, Sali Re. and that was inspiration for one of the characters one of the protagonists in the film.
I had to I had to do lots of brainstorming and see यार कैसे करूँ. It took 2 months and I had to go through a lot of stress. We discussed a lot of times यार इनको कुछ आ नहीं रहा है, कुछ नहीं रहा है, क्या करें. And then he also came up with some idea. हम लोग बहुत सारा ideas bounce करते रहते थे बीच में, but nothing was working somewhat. But one fine day, I think I was having bath. While I was having bath, I started humming that tune. I just फटाफट बाहर नाच के निकला and I just took my mobile and I recorded the melody.
आली रे, साली रे, काली रे, झगड़ाली रे, नखराली रे, बाबाली रे। आली रे, साली रे, दिल की तो दिल वाली, लेकिन मुंह खोले तो गाली रे।
जिसको दुआ दुनिया कहे वो सिर्फ जख्मों को भर नहीं है, जरिया नहीं है.
Dua, I think the sequence was written, and I think that gave
The
you
whole
the
song
inspiration
came from
to
there.
And plus, I believe, although in a lot of cases it might be a little too early for people to know each other so well, but for the three of us, we understand what each other
Well, yeah, exactly. That's what-
frequencies. We tune in very well.
I read that. I could feel that in my mind as a musician, I felt that there is कुछ एक शुरू हुआ है. There's something has started, and some movement has started. Just going to grow big. Just going to go up. It's going to gather lots of people and all sorts of things that happen. That's what as it was present in the script. In my mind, musically, that's what I did. Started a track with the lowest, like the minimalistic instrument possible with just 1-2 notes, and then build it up to a huge crescendo, so that both script, the whole narrative, and the whole script and the music, both combined easily and nicely.
And also what happened is that for me it became an inspiration while I was shooting. The song became an inspiration
Yeah.
while I was shooting.
अंधेरे दर से खुदा के घर से उजाले न क्यों बरसे गुजारे कैसे सजा के जैसे दिन गमों के लगे अरसे सब सजदे में दुआ करो
To watch more, log on and subscribe to www.youtube.com/UTV Motion Pictures.